Friends, welcome to Mithi's kitchen. Today we are cooking chicken biryani. And for the chicken biryani, I have 1.5 kg chicken. Also, like 4 potatoes, 3 green chilies. I have chopped that. And here I have like a couple bay leaves, 1 big cardamom, 3 small one, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, and 1 stick of uh, cinnamon stick, and also cup of fried onion, cup of yogurt, and other ingredients is here each of garlic, ginger, and chili paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of red chili, and one is spicy one, and half of the garam masala, and also this one is roasted cumin. So let's we start our cooking. So now we will add couple tablespoon of oil in this pan. I'm using olive oil, and you know that this needs little bit time to get warm, but I had put it on the stove probably a couple minutes before, so you can see that is enough. And at this point we will add all our so now you can see that it's getting roasted, so we will let it cook probably in 30 seconds more, and we will add our potatoes. So at this point I will add potato I have cut and also put it in the water so you don't get it. So now what we will do, we will let cook potato, until it sound like golden brown type. At that point we will do our other ingredients. So now I will keep on the medium heat. Friends, now we are marinating our chicken while potato is getting little bit fried. So I will add like couple tablespoon of olive oil. That is make the meat soft. Just a couple of them, and at this point I will add all our dry ingredients, which is, you can see that, even though if you have time and if you can marinate chicken for 30 to 40 minutes would be help. Is make the meat soft, and also the old spices is going in the meat, and it will be really tasty. Now I will add So now we will check our potatoes. You can see that potato is cooking very well. So now we will let cook potato on other side, and we will continue marinate our chicken. And also we have cut chicken little bit on of the couple of cuts, so it can masala can reach inside and it will be very tasty. So if you get chance, do that. That will be really nice marinating inside, and it will be very tasty. So now you can see that our all pieces get very good marinated, and at this point I will let it set probably like 10 to 15 minutes. So friends, now you can see that our potato is doing very well. So at this point we will add our chicken. Now we will stir well. Now I will keep heat on the medium. So we will let it cook probably another 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes we will check how the chicken got done. So friends, now you can see that our chicken is cooking very well. At this point we will add our green chilies, and also I have a cup of water that I have put my chicken in it. So the same bowl I'm using that to use this water. So probably like cup of water we have added, and now we will let it cook our chicken another 5 to 7 minutes until it gets very well roasted on medium heat. So I will check in between and we will back see you again. So friends, now our water is boiling, so at this point we will add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 bay leaves, 1 stick of cinnamon, and few of them garlic, the cinnamon and clove and black pepper. I have this uh, uh, rice, 3 cup of rice. I have soaked it in the water probably 45 minutes. So at this point we will add our rice in boiling water, and we will let it cook probably like 70%, and rest of the we will cook with our chicken. So I will show you when rice is done in few minutes. Until then, we can check our chicken. So friends, now we can check our chicken, and you can see that chicken cook very well. So at this point I will add some of the cilantros and mix it little bit, and also our rice is done too. So rice cook almost like 75%, so we don't need to cook more. And anytime when you add rice, we don't have to just very light hand. So whatever is not done, it will cook by this with the chicken. Hello friends, so now let's go. Our biryani is ready, and you can see that it took like probably 37 minutes to cook chicken and also rice and things like that, but you can see that it's really nice, very good with the salt, spices, cooperate very good. And I have used eggs. Usually how I'm using eggs, when I do layers and I put eggs in between and also fried onion, but this time I have used for the garnish cilantro, fried onion, and also eggs. And also I have salad on side and 1 cup of chas that we always love to eat with the biryani. And buttermilk is really very good to digestion, so I want you to follow this recipe. You will really enjoy that, and I will come back again with another simple recipes. If you like these recipes, please share with the friends, family, and you can leave some comments that might help for others. So I really appreciate bottom of my heart to supporting our cooking channel, and I'll be back again with another simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.